right around the corner.
It's coming.
All right, so go check out their Facebook page. Search Watchers. You'll see them. Shout out to Chris Brennan, Clint English, and the rest of the gang. We appreciate them and their talent. I mean, so very talented. We love their music. I'm glad they shared that with us. But definitely plan on being there at Luna Live on the 17th for Watchers and their big show. We're going to have that interview next week for you. We're going to meet up with the guys and interview them. So you get to know them a little bit better before you watch them on stage performing. Yeah, I think that's respectful, right?
Yeah, I like that.
We'll talk before we get intimate, right?
Right.
Right. I mean, that's what on stage is.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Especially when you're dying.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, you cracked me up. Okie dokie. All right, here it is, getting back to the music for you, right here on LA On Air. It's our good friends, the Specklers, out of Lafayette, debuting their song right here on the show. It is Sheep and Wolf. I like this one a lot.
I like that one, too. It brings me back to, like, the 40s flappers.
There we go.
Reason.
You're going to enjoy it, too, right here on LA On Air with Bray J.
Seven nights on prime time, 7 p.m. Lullabies of sunshine are painting the walls again. Right in line, Johnny on the spot with a grin. It's a feast amongst the sheep tonight. The wolves are hungry again. Take me to the window and understand I got a rocking day in my skin. And every time the wind blows, it brings me down to meet the mood I'm in. Give it time. It's the only thing that there's ever been. And every time you cross the line, you're gonna find it again. It's a crime. The lunatics will say it's a sin. Priests are in the basement writing the revelations of men. But it's supper time on top of the hill tonight. There's a feast amongst the sheep to feed the wolves. And priestly preparations by the firelight. Emancipate the hunger on the
And there it was, debuting for the first time right here on LA On Air with Bray J. That was our good friends, the Specklers with Sheep and Wolf. I enjoyed that.
Me too. I like that one.
You're listening on Louisiana Indie Radio, LA On Air with Bray J, powered by the Lab Design Group.
I was gonna say powered by Dahlia.
Yeah. LA on Air with Bray J, powered by the Laugh Design Group. Oh, man. Hopefully having a good time so far. Here it is. This is our third show of 2014. It's rolling along so quickly. Of course, I'm excited.
It's
so
gonna be
much.
Valentine's Day before you know it.
I know. What are you doing for Valentine's? Is it too early to talk about it?
I'm probably going to spend the day with myself.
Okay. You gonna take yourself out to dinner?
Maybe.
You're gonna go for a long stroll on the beach with yourself?
It might be nice. Yeah. We're thinking about it.
And when you say we,
Yeah.
we, who's we?
Me and my alter ego. You know, we might play around a little bit.
Okay. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, moving on with the music. Right here on LA on Air with Bray J. Good song that I love. Here it is, representing Shreveport. It's our good friends, the Dubonauts, with Space and Time. Right here on LA on Air with Bray J.
Everyone loses sight and mind. Yeah, we all just let it go. To find what's right in the other's eyes, but it's not a path I choose to go. You need to open up your mind, invite your body and soul. You need to open up your eyes, but let your inhibitions go. Your inhibitions free from your body, everybody, yeah. But do you know what it means to be free, my baby, my baby? Life's too short to jeopardize that happiness that gets you by. You feel your bending space and time when fighting for what you think's right. Is it right? Everyone loses sight and mind. Yeah, we all just let it go. They'll find what's right in the other's eyes, but it's not a path I choose to go. You need to open up your mind, but it invites your body and soul. You need to open up your eyes, but it lets your inhibitions go. Let your inhibitions free from your body, body, yeah. But do you know what it means to be free, my baby? My baby. Life's too short to jeopardize, but happiness that gets you by. You feel you're bending space and time, but I'm fighting for what you think's right. Is it right?
That was the Debonauts with Space and Time representing Shreveport right here on LA On Air with Bray J. You're listening on LouisianaIndieRadio.com. This show powered by the Lab Design Group. So, Davia, how are you doing?
I'm okay. I'm doing good.
So, it's Friday night tomorrow, obviously. What are you doing? What do you do normally? I mean, working, or are you...
I usually find myself at Threetopia.
Yeah. Threetopia is an awesome spot. DJ Tysky, of course.
Yeah.
Christened the new year with his spin.
I did a little christening myself.
Should I ask?
No, you shouldn't.
Okay. Oh my gosh. LA On Air, you never know what's going to happen with it. we feature a co-host or two. You never know what. Okay. Anyway, DJ Tysky did an awesome job, I heard. It was huge rating.
There was smoke and lights and lots of bass.
I like my beats. Yeah. My bass down low. Pretty much. Mm-hmm. It sounds like a hot new year.
It was.
So, if you haven't checked out Threetopia, though, you have to. And you do spend a lot of time there.
I really do. I work there and then
But you play there, too.
I change clothes and go back.
How many people do you know go to their place of work literally as soon as they get off?
It's that much fun.
She does.
It's literally like a different, thing here in Lake Charles.
Of course.
It's like you go to a new city when you walk through the door. It's cool.
Check it out, Threetopia. It is across from Priam Lake Mall right here in Lake Charles. And it's next door to Zeus, so very convenient. And Threetopia has food as well. So, but if you're craving the Greek Lebanese deal, you can go there. I like it. Great deal. What'd you give me the other day to eat? I thought it was good. What kind of pizza?
The chicken shawarma. It was from Zeus.
And it was a pizza.
Delicious.
It was awesome.
Yes.
Yeah. Threetopia, though. Gotta check it out. We love to hang out there as well. So, I mentioned this last show, and I did a little more research, and I'm sniffly still, obviously.
Me too. I had a little sniffle a minute ago.
We were trying to not acknowledge it, but I think it's kind of obvious if you.
Yeah, there's
you're
ice
listening.
outside.
Baby, it's cold outside. I can't even sing.
You sing great.
I'm stuffy.
You still sing great.
Well, I appreciate it. So we told you about this website, and I had to do a little further research of my own. CajunMaids.com. And what we were saying was, since the holidays just passed, I kick myself for not giving this as a gift to my mom, considering all the events that she did.
Yeah, I never thought of that, but that would be so great.
Not to mention, and technically I still should go and buy one. I hope Mom's not listening, because that would give away the surprise. But just surprise her one Friday afternoon with this. Of course, her and her husband could go out. They could go on a nice date. I could get the babysitter, or I could take the kids, the siblings, and she doesn't have to worry about cleaning.
And then they come back to a clean house.
Right. It's like perfect. Perfect date night.
It's like every woman's dream.
Is it?
Yeah, to not have to clean up for, just once.
Well, I got to give them a call. CajunMaids.com. Let me see. Maybe we can call them right now. 438-5155. Let's check out their service. All right. Oh, excuse me. I'm a little hungry there.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Live from the Lake City, this is LA On Air with Bray J. Broadcasting from the great state of Louisiana to the world, This is LA.